Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this beast of a party speaker, karaoke speaker that this brand sent to me for this video. This thing, it's a beast. This thing is 200 watts of power. It is not only a speaker, a wireless speaker, as you can see, but it's also a karaoke machine that comes with a touch display. I don't think I ever seen this one in a karaoke machine. This thing is quite heavy because it packs power and it's actually quite loud. It also comes equipped with a tons of features. So on the back, right here on the back, you're gonna find an HDMI. You're also gonna find a USB-C port. You're also gonna find a USB-A, so you can connect a flash drive or something like that. The charging port, of course, and tons of other ports like a 3.5 jack, like an auxiliary port, like a guitar, like another set of microphones, like another speaker. Things like that you're gonna find right here on the back, which I guarantee that you're gonna use them if you want or if you need. Also comes with a shoulder strap, which I think it is really cool. You can clip it right here on the sides, but also this shoulder strap comes with pockets for both microphones. I have one charging right now with USB-C and the other one is ready to use right here. I'm gonna do kind of like a demo in just a little bit, but coming with this display right here, let's check it out. So check this out. It's touch, as you can see right here. It comes with all sort of controls right here, which I think it is fantastic. But also, you can do YouTube if you want, right here on screen. I think that is just so good. And then if you want, you can do, for example, some of the apps that comes with, I'm gonna close YouTube right here, and then comes with some of the apps that you're gonna see, where's the menu right here. For example, the karaoke. So it comes with actually 2 apps for the karaoke experience. So you can have the lyrics within the app, with an app that you're gonna actually use on your own and just like select some of the music. It comes with rock, it comes with pop, it comes with tons of things. For example, all these runs right here, you're gonna be able to use them as well. But then it comes with something really cool, which is right here. It comes with the settings and a mixer, so you can change your voice as well. Let's actually try it out. But before, let me show you the volume of this thing with Bluetooth.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead. Just before gravity takes hold.
Okay. So now, as you can see, I'm using the one of the microphones. They're so easy. By the way, it comes with this really cool RGB lights that you can turn on, turn off, and modify. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make you on kind of like a test of what is going to be some of the voices. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna be
a woman, for example. If I have to say I'm a woman now and I'm speaking like one, so it's actually kind of nice.
Well, I'm a serious man right now. I have to say that this is me. This is my normal voice 24/7. But if I really have to say that my normal voice is this one.
Probably. Okay. What? I can. I'm trying to be serious.
Again, this is just amazing. This is a fantastic speaker. It's also a karaoke machine, 200 watts, comes with the display, tons of features, tons of ports, and of course the Bluetooth, YouTube, and the karaoke apps. This thing is gonna be a blast among friends and family. Guarantee you're not gonna regret it.